Hello? Today we will talk about the world of newspapers and explore amazing opportunities for creating professional publications. And before we dive into creating our own newspaper, let's recall what a newspaper is and the different types they come in. A newspaper is not just a printed publication. It's a real information carrier that can be diverse and captivating. From classic broadsheets to stylish tabloids and specialized publications, the world of newspapers is as varied as their audience. Types of newspapers: broadsheet, classic, large format, providing ample space for articles and images, typically associated with more serious topics and prominent headlines. Tabloid, smaller format, lighter, and more accessible, often oriented towards entertaining and sensational news. Niche newspapers, geared towards specific audiences or themes, such as sports, business, science, and others. Now that we've refreshed the concept of newspapers, let's talk about the Goodocs. This resource offers a true treasure trove of free newspaper templates, crafted by professional designers. You can choose a template that suits your requirements for this. To download the template, log into your Google account to work with Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets formats. If you don't have a Google account, sign up for free. Visit our website at goodocs.com. Choose the template that suits you. Click on the Edit Template button, then click on the Edit Template for Free button. Next, click on the A4 Template button. Wait for 10 seconds and click the Create a Copy button. Elegant layouts crafted to make your newspaper look professional and appealing. Whether you're an experienced professional or a complete novice, the Goodocs is a valuable resource for anyone looking to create high-quality newspapers without unnecessary expenses. You can download the file in Word and PDF formats. Simply choose the respective format from the File menu, Download As, and select the desired format. Additionally, note that the edited template can be used not only in electronic form, but also printed by pressing Command +P on macOS or Ctrl+P on Windows. Now, let's talk about our new membership. We offer free access to 5 templates every month. If you want unlimited access to all our templates and other exclusive features, you can purchase a membership on our website. We have 2 pricing plans: Savings Plan, duration, 12 months, price, $20 standard. Plan, duration, 1 month, price, $5 per month. Let the elegant templates be your framework, and let the creative flame drive you to create unique content. Don't forget that every click, every edit brings you closer to your perfect newspaper. Download, share, and get inspired. Best of luck in your creative journey. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new templates and helpful tips.